Hello students, I'm Ajipal sir from Vivekanand School, Bani. Now the next topic of 12th class physics, electrostatic potential at a fixed point due to electric dipole. Okay, here is the electric dipole is placed. Okay, A, B. Okay, here the minus Q charge at A and minus and positive Q charge is at B. Okay, distance between the two dipole is 2a. We know that the dipole moment is Q into 2a. We have to calculate electric field intensity at point P. Okay, we have to calculate electric field intensity at point P here. Okay, position vector from that point is R. Okay, from the center of the dipole. And position vector from the point A, here the negative charge is placed, is R1, and position vector from the B, here the positive charge is placed, that is R2. Okay, now the angle between this center to a point P is a theta. Firstly, electrostatic potential at minus charge is V1 minus Q by 4 pi epsilon R1. Okay, R1 is the distance position vector, minus Q is the charge. Okay, same as it is for V2 is positive charge Q 4 pi epsilon R2. Okay, now therefore applying the superposition principle. In superposition principle, there is simply add up the both the electrostatic potential V1 and V2. V is equal to V2 plus V1. Okay, here the Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common out, and 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. Now by the geometry, we know that the resultant R1 from this triangle law of vector addition, R1 square is equal to the A square plus R square plus 2AR cos theta. Here the angle including is this. Okay, outside the triangle. Now by the geometry, R1 square is equal to R square plus A square plus 2AR cos theta. Same as it is R2 square R square plus A square plus 2AR cos 180 minus theta. In this triangle, we include this angle here, the angle theta, and this angle is 180 minus theta. Okay, now we can rewrite R1 square. Okay, now we common out the R1 from this equation, R1 square common out, and the 1 plus A square by R square plus 2AR cos theta. If A is very less than R, then A by R is small, so A square by R square is neglected. This equation is neglected. Then R1 is equal to this square is come to that side and make under root. Okay, this cancel out with this, and here the under root is coming. 1 plus 2AR by cos theta. Here the 1 by, okay, reciprocal this equation, 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by R, and this, the power of this equation is change. Okay, in negative form, because in reciprocal its value is change. Same as it is 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R, 1 minus 2A by R cos theta, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, put these equations in first. Okay, these value put in equation 1 by R2 by 1 by R1. Okay, we have to calculate this both equation, 1 by R1, 1 by R2. Now put these value in that equation. Okay, after the putting this equation is come and using the binomial theorem. Binomial theorem is some difficult, but is necessary to understand about that. Okay, in binomial theorem, we firstly common out 1 by R to outside, 1 by R is come to that side. Okay, now the power is minus 1 by 2, this power come to forward. Okay, this come to forward equation 1 by, okay, this power come to this side, and this power is come to this side. Multiply this power to firstly in this term and after in this term. Okay, now firstly come to this minus 1 by 2. Okay, multiply with 1, that is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 multiply with 2A by R cos theta, then plus 2A by 2R. Okay, this power 2 come to that. Okay, now the same as it is in this equation, firstly minus from outside, and minus 1 by 2 when multiply with 1, that is minus 1. Okay, positive हो जाएगा, and after that minus 1 by 2 multiply with positive, and okay, this is positive 2A by R. Now we cancel out the 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2, cancel out with each other, and after this, after the calculation, 2A cos theta by R is coming out. Now the V is equal to P cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Okay, in the vector form, P cos theta change into P vector into R unit vector. Okay, now they convert P cos theta into P into R 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Now in special case, on the dipole axis, okay, when the point P on the dipole axis, the theta is taken as 0 or pi. Okay, when cos theta is put to the 0, the equation come to the P by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. On the equatorial plane, the theta is 90 degree. When put as cos 90 degree is 0, the whole equation is 0, that is equipotential is coming to 0. Okay, this is the topic. I hope you will understand clearly. Okay, you make the note of this topic and make their quick revision after that. Okay, stay home, stay safe, take care.